Hello everyone, N&B Box Breaks doing a box break on 2013-14 Artifacts. Go ahead and show you the time and date. It is 6:39 February 19th. Trying to get it to come in a little clearer. Alright, let's go ahead and show you the spots. Maybe I'll get it to come in after that. Alright, there's that. Let's go back over here. Sorry guys, there it is, 6:40 February 19th. Go ahead and show you the spots. Here you go. Here's all 30 spots, guys. Thanks for getting in the break. Alright, for those of you that are new, we're going to go ahead and randomize this list 3 times. Also the teams we randomized 3 times. So here we go. There's 1. There's 2. And there's 3. So you got Rick G at 1. Down into Tony Isabel at 30. And you see it's been randomized 3 times. Copy and paste. So you got Rick G there at 1. Tony Isabel at 30. Alright, so you see the teams, Anaheim down to Winnipeg, alphabetical order. And again, we randomized this list 3 times, so here we go. Alright. Why it's doing that? There we go. There's 1. There's 2. And there's 3. So you got the Buffalo Sabres at 1. Down to New Jersey Devils at 30. And you see it's been randomized 3 times. Copy and paste. And there you go. Buffalo Sabres at 1. Down to New Jersey Devils at 30. And show you their teams. Alright, there you go. Alright, so this box is 10 packs, 4 cards per pack. Sorry, I gotta grab my scissors to open it. Let's do my fingers, I guess. There is the number on the listing. Thanks guys for being patient with this box. It took a lot longer than I wanted it to fill. But as I always say, that even if your spot's open when the listing ends on eBay, I would have done it. So this Sunday I would have done it anyway, and it happened to fill tonight. So we'll do it a couple days early. Alright, so there's our 10 packs. And hits will go to the left, base cards to the right. And here we go. Alright, there's your base card. There's parallels, they'll be numbered. Alright, here's a Canada one, Jamie Benn. 274 out of 999. It's a Canada, but obviously Jamie Benn, Dallas Stars. So this will go to Dallas. On the card and base card. Alright, here's a rookie redemption. The Buffalo Sabres. Rookie redemption card. Buffalo Sabres. So nice hit there. I like when they have the team on there, so at least we know it can go to, we know what team it goes to. Sorry guys, here we go. Oh, this is just a base card, but I just want to get my camera. It's having a little tough time focusing today. There we go. Alright, here's the first big hit here. Henrik Zetterberg. It's got a dual jersey. Nice low number, 54 out of 125. Obviously Detroit Red Wings, nice hit. Henrik Zetterberg. Nice nice hit on a very good player. Had a Ovechkin dual jersey card last night. It's a nice hit. Alright, here's a hit for Washington Capitals. Mike Green, 70 out of 85. Here's your parallel of the base card. Oh, sorry. There's a card on the back side of that. This is a base card. Base card. You know what? I just want to make sure. I'm just going to look at the numbers really quick, make sure they're all. Yeah, the rookie cards are all over. Just wanted to make sure I didn't miss anything with a rookie card of any sort. Here's a Danny Heatley dual jersey card for the USA for the Team Canada. Sorry guys, let me get to trying to get this, show you the number there, the serial number. It is out of 75. So a nice low number. Show you the back side of this card. Sometimes that'll get my camera focused and be a little bit better on the front side. There you go. Still kind of hard to see that numbers. I'm not sure what team is. Danny Heatley, is he on San Jose? I want to say San Jose. You know what? I don't know. I don't know if it's San Jose or Ottawa. Let's see. Oh boy, this has always got to be great. So he's not playing right now. Let's see, on the card, does it say anything about a team? No, it doesn't. Okay. Alright, let's see. Danny Heatley. Trying to go through here where he was playing. Sorry guys, I just want to make sure I get this to the right. Let's see here. Sorry guys. Alright, sorry guys, I'm just trying to make sure. What do we got here? So I was just looking at my rules, how I normally do it. This doesn't happen very often, but on my rules on my web page, it goes to, so if the player is not wearing a professional sports team jersey, a card will go to the team that is written on the front or the back. If he doesn't have a professional jersey, example, international, college, juniors, and there is no team name printed on the card will go to the player's current team. If the player is retired, we will first use jerseys wearing then the team name printed on the front of the card. Then we go to the team that since that is none of those the case, then we go to the team that he is most known for, where he played the most. So that's where I'm looking. So he played 3 years at Atlanta, played 4 years at Ottawa, 2 years San Jose, 3 years at Minnesota. He only played 6 games for the Anaheim Ducks. So he played 4 years at Ottawa, so it's going to go to the Ottawa Senators. So that card's going to go to the Ottawa Senators. That's where he played more games and more seasons. He actually played, that's definitely played more games there. He played 82, 82, 82, and 71 for Ottawa. The closest was Atlanta. Actually, Minnesota and Atlanta were right there. Were only had 3 years each. So that goes to Ottawa. So thanks for bearing with me, guys. Just wanted to make sure we got it to the right team. All right, there's a base card and a base card. That's the tough thing when they go to the international, especially when the guy's retired. And then you go a guy like that who's, you know, been to a few different teams. Oh, here's a nice autograph. Ottawa Senators. So another hit for Ottawa. Stefan DaCosta. Nice autograph card there. Nice looking card there. So that's another hit. Back-to-back hits for Ottawa. All right, here is a dual jersey for the St. Louis Blues. Chris Stewart and Kevin Shattenkirk. Nice looking card there. Show you the back side of that. So no serial number on that one. Nice looking card though. First nice hit for St. Louis. All right, 3 more packs left. Got 3 jersey cards. We got an autograph card. So maybe we can get something else here. Here's a rookie for the Philadelphia Flyers, Scott Lawton. Numbered to 999. See if I can try to get that. It's sometimes hard to show these serial numbers, but it's 416 out of 999. These are just promotional cards. Dummy card. Alright, 2 packs left. Here's a goalie card. All the goalie cards are numbered to 999. Patrick Waugh, Montreal Canadiens. Numbered to 999. So all the goalie cards in this box are, I think there's usually 1 goalie card per box. And they're numbered. Our last pack here. Here's a nice rookie. Dallas Stars, Christopher Nilstorp. Now this is numbered out of 299. You can see that up in the corner. There you go. 30 out of 299. Nice rookie card. Base card and base, or I'm sorry, that's dummy card, base and base. All right, guys, that'll do it. Thanks for getting in this break. You see, I only have 1 more hockey box left up right now. 2 footballs, this one, and then I have a basketball still up. So I was just looking for some new stuff online today. I'm going to have some stuff coming in probably middle of the week. I'm going to get another Artifacts 1516, and I'm going to get either another SP Game Used, or I was looking at the Trilogy, 1516 Trilogy. Both of those look like they got some really good hits in them. And there's a new basketball one out that just came out. I'm going to get one of those. And there's a new football signature series with 4 autographs. I'll get one of those probably. So some new stuff coming in next week. Please take a look for it. I'll have them up either, you know, beginning to end of next, or somewhere beginning to middle of next week. If you're buying on eBay and you want to save a little money, you can buy on my website. But if you want to keep buying on eBay, that's fine. If you can leave me positive feedback, I'd appreciate it. And thanks, guys. I appreciate you getting in, and I'll get these cards sent out on Monday for sure. So thanks, guys.